Hi, I've been enjoying trying these cordless tools from Evolution Power Tools and also from Hychika over the last couple of months or so, and they really have come on an awful long way over the last 15-20 years since cordless tools were first really available over a range. Cordless drills have been around for a long time, but saws etc. have only been more recent, and these modern ones really are quite good. I was very pleased with the capabilities that they have. The drawbacks, of course, are you need to keep charging them. So to get around that, you'd need to buy multiple batteries so you can have one on charge whilst you're using another one. And obviously fast charging is an advantage as well. Another drawback, of course, is that there's doesn't seem to be any standard interface between batteries and bodies amongst different brands. So if you buy one brand of cordless tool, don't expect the battery that works with that to work in a different brand. Most likely it won't. That kind of drives you down the route of having a set of tools all from the same manufacturer, which could be seen as a bit of a disadvantage. You want to pick really the best tool, depending on, not dependent on what manufacturer is making it. Obviously, areas that you're going to want to use them is where you've got no mains available, no mains electricity. You either have a generator on site and lots of cables, or you have a small generator just running your recharging, and you can be free to roam with your cordless tools. And I actually find that cordless tools in the workshop are quite handy as well, because again, you're not restrained by having flexes running all over the place. Now, how did I get on with these ones in particular? The Hychika, the little mini chainsaw, I've shown that before, and that works reasonably well. I did have a problem with the small charger that came with it, but Hychika did replace it with a fast charger free of charge, so that sorted that problem out. The Evolution ones have been pretty good as well. I did think that perhaps the speed of the drill could have been faster, and that would have been a bit of an improvement, but it got through the work that I needed it to get through. And although it took a little bit longer drilling, I do find that some drilling operations are best done at a higher speed. It did actually get the work done in the end, and I was impressed with the circular saw particularly, which was much better than one I'd used perhaps 10-12 years ago. So if you're going to go down the route of cordless tools, have a good look round, find a brand that have got all the particular tools that you want and that are reliable, and probably best to stick with that one brand. Get yourself a number of batteries so that you don't find yourself embarrassed and run out of power when you're on the job somewhere. And secondly, lithium batteries like to be kept constantly charged, so don't run a battery down and leave it for a few months before you charge it again. Always charge your batteries whenever you get the opportunity.